Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the Old Boy Scouts ultimate camping gear list. We're going back to the basics, back when there weren't fancy gadgets, just rugged essentials that stood the test of time. These are the must-have items for a successful campout, trusted by Scouts back in the day. These items taught them resilience, resourcefulness, and a deep respect for the wild. Let's get started. Out here in the heart of the wilderness, getting lost is a real danger. A compass, your trusty guide, keeps you on track, ensuring you reach your destination. A good multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. It's your go-to for repairs, for prepping firewood, even for those unexpected challenges the wild throws your way. Your backpack is your lifeline, carrying everything you need to survive and thrive. Choose one that's as tough as the terrain you're conquering. Chapter 4. The Sturdy Tent. Your shelter in the storm. When the elements turn against you, your tent is your sanctuary. Choose wisely. A reliable tent means the difference between a comfortable night's sleep and a miserable one. Chapter 5. The Sleeping Bag. Your cocoon of warmth. After a long day battling the elements, a good sleeping bag is like crawling into a warm embrace. Choose quality. Choose warmth. Choose a good night's sleep. Chapter 6. First Aid Kit. Be prepared for anything. Accidents happen, especially in the wild. A well-stocked first aid kit is your best friend when they do. Chapter 7. Fire starters igniting survival. Fire equals warmth, cooked food, and safety. Master your fire starting techniques and you'll master the wild. Chapter 8. Water bottle. Hydration is key. Water is life, especially when you're pushing your limits. Carry enough and carry it in a bottle that can handle the journey. Chapter 9. Cooking gear. Fueling the adventure. A hot meal can boost morale and warm the spirit. Keep your cooking gear simple, durable, and ready for action. Chapter 10. Maps. Navigating the uncharted. Before GPS, there were maps. Learn to read them, respect them, and they'll guide you through the wilderness. And there you have it, the Old Boy Scouts ultimate camping gear list. Remember, it's not just about the gear, it's about the skills and the mindset. It's about respecting the wild, being prepared, and relying on your own abilities. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more outdoor adventure tips and gear reviews. Happy camping!